Citrus greening has affected this industry in multiple ways. It's no longer, we come out here, the caretaking's changed. We're not just spraying 4 times a year. We're not just fertilizing a couple times a year. We've had to constantly change how we do and adapt to the disease. We've had severe fruit drop, severe leaf drop. We're pulling out more trees and replanting more trees than we ever have. And there's just constantly adapting, trying new things, just trying to figure out what we can do to kind of stay ahead of this disease until we can find a cure. Here at Dudley Putnam, we've adapted to help fight citrus greening by fighting the symptoms. And for example, wood greening is it suffocates the tree and keeps nutrients from getting to the tree. So we've just tried to fight back by putting more nutrients out. We've put stuff out to lower the pH of the soil so it allows the nutrients that are in the soil to get to the tree faster, and just try and stay ahead of greening as it comes. There's some growers out here that are spraying 12 times a year, just trying to constantly give those trees their nutrients. And here we're not quite spraying that much, but we have increased our sprays than we were 5 years ago. We've increased our fertilizer than we were 5 years ago. And we've also done things like inject it through our irrigation system so that we're focusing more on that root system than the broad tree itself, because that's where the uptake is of the tree.